And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, this is really our big weather story. This is the big hot dome, the ridge in the plains that will send us into many days in the 90s that'll classify it as a heat wave. And eventually, we'll get the humidity high enough to bring heat indices greater than 100 degrees. But then we've got major Hurricane Hilary here. It's going to be a historic event because we haven't had a tropical storm with a landfall in southern Cal since 1939. Now, why am I putting so much emphasis on this hurricane? Well, for one thing, it'll move up through California, move up through the west with heavy rain and flooding, move into southern Canada, and then combine with a system up here. That system deepens, that will drag a cold front through that'll take us from mid-90s to mid-70s next weekend. So it will pull a pretty good cold front through. Also, I want to focus on what's happening here up the coast of Florida. This is a tropical wave. It's very disorganized, but there is data suggesting still this may become Tropical Storm Emily down the road. That could impact Texas. It moves up into the Panhandle of Texas, Colorado, and then kind of moves due eastward as it's picked up by that cold front we just talked about. So it could squeeze out showers and storms here a week from this Saturday. So you see how the pieces fit together. Yes, these weather elements are far away, but they have lasting impacts for us. Smoky haze through tomorrow morning and even this evening, and then it clears up tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, few clouds and an 84-degree high with still low humidity tomorrow. 82 to 86 should do it viewing area wide. Now Sunday it's hotter, but the humidity is still held in check. Kind of breezy, 64 in the morning, 89 to 93 for highs. 91 Lafayette, 93 Attica and Petersburg and Morocco down to Kentland, but 89 Logansport down to Galveston and Rushville. A few clouds tonight, the smoky haze, scratchy throat if you're going to be out this evening, tonight, or tomorrow morning. There's tomorrow afternoon. The smoke pulls away and we'll pick up a few clouds around. Sunday is fine for smoke. It's just a little hot out there, but there's that nice southwest to south wind coming up. That'll make it feel just a little bit better. All right, there is the tropical storm at landfall. Early on Sunday, or early to mid-Sunday evening, the way it's looking right now. Moves northeastward, flooding rains here. This could be Emily. Here's the big hot dome we were talking about. Look at the clock here. This is Tuesday afternoon. Now we look to Thursday morning. So the remnants of Hilary are way over here. The remnants of Emily are here and moving kind of eastward at that point, because here's the strong cold front sweeping southward. Again, what's left of Hilary is absorbed by this storm and it strengthens. So this is a pretty strong cold front. It moves our way. Here's the remnant moisture of Emily riding along the front. So showers, storms a week from this Saturday, and then this could be potentially Hurricane Franklin. This could be Gert, and then we may have Harold out in the eastern Caribbean. So active tropics wise, and I always mention the tropics because as you can see, they have indirect and direct impacts to our weather frequently. 91 Sunday, 93 Monday. Now, here's the thing, it does get more humid, especially Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So these 3 days will have those heat indices well over 100 degrees with much warmer overnight lows. There's Saturday with the showers and storms in the 80s. Sunday's much cooler. We may only get into the mid-70s and then around 80 with morning lows in the 50s a week from this upcoming Monday.